Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like answer this 5 by 5 is equal to 60 divide 6. Now 60 divide 6 is equal to 10. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, so PEMDAS PEM DAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction, also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, now here is division and here is multiplication, both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part is equal to 60. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 60 as it is same. Same means change this sign from division to multiplication. And F means flip this fraction. 6 by 5 is equal to 5 by 6. Okay, multiply 5. Now cancel 16 by 6, so here is 10. So the expression will become 10 multiply 5 multiply 5. Okay, now here is multiplication and here is multiplication, both have equal priority, so we have to solve from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. So 10 multiply 5 is equal to 50. Now 50 multiply 5 is equal to 250. Okay, so the correct answer is 250. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.